What's up, junkies? I'm going to show you in this video what we need to watch out for ahead of CPI tomorrow morning. News event. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking for. I'm long this market, guys. You know that if you've been watching my channel. Playing a retrace on most things. Currently long XRP over here, but there's a tricky move on the BTC chart that we might see. It is my secondary wave structure. I'm going to give you targets for that. We may get a dump going into CPI. It's not what I'm playing. Just want to bring it to your attention. I'm also going to show you what my primary scenario looks like for Bitcoin. You guys should know this one if you've been watching this channel. If you guys want to learn Elliott wave theory, make sure you check out the Discord. Join up. Pinned in the first comment down below. Got a free Elliott wave course. I'm running a sale. If you want to follow my trades, going through September 13th of the premium Discord. Make sure you check it out. All that is just within the Discord. You can join up right there. We got a nice little up move today for Bitcoin, crypto markets, and some things are dumping now. It's been very up, down, choppy action. Over on Twitter, I posted a week ago this image before we even got this first general retrace of what the probable structure, what I'm expecting to play out for Bitcoin. And you can see it's playing out pretty much to a T. If you drown out the noise, all the white noise, get rid of all the fluff, it's essentially playing out perfectly. Make sure you're following me on X, guys, at chart_junkies. That's also pinned in the first comment down below. But that's the power of Elliott wave theory, of understanding where your liquidity zones are, understanding how the market moves. And for me, I only trade Bitcoin 99% of the time. I've been staring at this chart for 9 years straight, 24/7, 365. I understand how Bitcoin moves. Am I comfortable trading other assets? Sure. But Bitcoin's my bread and butter. I suggest you guys stick with one thing and get really good at it. Just quit flip-flop into your favorite altcoin or this alt and that alt. These things, they move sporadically. They're not predictable. As a trader, we want predictability. Now, let's get into what you came here for. I'm going to hit you guys with my primary scenario since we are up to 114K at this point. There's a lot of liquidity up higher on Bitcoin. 115, 120. I do expect prices to come up here. XRP, I do expect price to come up to 330, 340 eventually. Essentially just retracing its entire move. I see things hitting to the upside more. I do. Now for Bitcoin, we are looking for a simple impulsive wave to the upside in which it looks like our wave 3 has started of our C leg. It is a perfect opportunity if the market wants to take it, if Bitcoin wants to take it, to really start getting some legs underneath it and start pushing up towards 118, 119, 120. Let's get everyone real bullish again. Let's get the herd thinking that we're going to blow off top. Let's get everyone looking for all-time highs busting through again. And then we can drop the hammer. Let's take daily RSI and give it a full reset. Looking at the weekly, we are pointing in the downwards direction. If we get a full reset on daily, shouldn't really do much to the weekly, and we're ready to roll over. We are ready to roll over here. But the question is for me, are we ready to push to the upside right now, right this second, going into CPI tomorrow? Or do we have another move to the downside coming to a chart near you? So let's go over what this downside move is going to look like, what my targets would be if we start to dump overnight into tomorrow morning when CPI hits. What's the plan, Alex? Well, for me, I'm chilling in my XRP long. Stop loss is slightly in profit. We're chilling. We're good. and I'm looking to take this up, hopefully, and catch a monster long on XRP. If it doesn't play out, I'm going to stop out slightly in profit, and I'll look to re-enter. I would be waiting to enter long on Bitcoin. At this point, when you're all the way up here, it's tough to really get into a long and catch a pump up out of here. You don't want to be longing any tops, right? So for BTC, let me just get a clean chart here. I'm essentially looking to see if this wants to be a flat. Now, guys, this is getting very complex. I told my Discord members I don't like the complexity of this. It's the perfect opportunity for the market to be done with this correction right there. And we're starting our C leg with a 1 into a sharp 2. 1, maybe this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Like, it's the perfect opportunity. But I get wanting to short up here. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. My bias is just to the upside. And I'm in a pretty good trade with a pretty good entry that I'm cool with chilling with and re-entering if I need to, if we get this down move. If we dump overnight, I'm going to be looking at this as this flat that I have drawn in here. I would be targeting the 1618 box around 109K. All right. If we get a move down to 109.5K, anywhere in here, taking out this trend line, I'm going to be looking long again in this region to then get this move up to 120. If it's not coming right now, in my opinion, it will be coming later. There's a lot of liquidity sitting down here on BTC. I assume they're going to leave that and then go attack it later when we get the ultimate dump. In my opinion, there's going to be way too many longs piling in here. And honestly, way too many longs piling in on a retrace of this. I think if they're going to bring it to the upside, they should probably do it now. I'm long for it, guys, but we'll see what happens heading into CPI tomorrow. If you guys want to leverage trade this stuff with me, BitUnix is a great no KYC exchange. You sign up with your email and you're ready to trade. I hooked you guys up with a 20% deposit bonus, which is huge. You also get 15% off trading fees for life if you sign up with the link I pinned for you down in the first comment, or use code ChartJunkies. No KYC, available globally. Go check them out. They got amazing liquidity over there, and they are my secondary exchange. I recommend using 2 exchanges, guys. One for swings, one for scalps, and just spread your money around everywhere. This is crypto. It's crazy land. Let's be smart. Join up in Discord. I am ending this sale on the 13th. If you want to come check it out, see everything that there is to offer, I got a video showing you here. Just join Discord, pin the first comment down below, and drop a follow on X. I'll see you tomorrow for CPI drop. Trade safe, everyone. Love you. Peace.